Aaron Group Tutorials. Learning made fun.
Hello guys, let's just get straight to the problem. We're having a two-faults problem here. So we need to find the missing reefs. After finding our missing reefs, we need to determine whether we have a loss or gain of ground. We need to also find the blocks which will be containing our reefs. Then we also need to find the direction of movement and also the amount of movement of these blocks. So the first thing that you do, you need to deal with the first level that you're given. So we're given the 22nd level. So the first thing, we come here, we extend our reefs. The already existing reefs that we have here, we just extend them. So let's extend them. We're gonna have something like, okay, so that's the first one. We come and extend the second one. Okay, we're gonna have something like, I have this. We just extending now, we haven't done anything. The last one, we also extend the last one. Okay, that's what we have. So now we need to find the missing reef in that level, whether it exists or it does not exist. So let's check. The side of the arrow, where the arrow is located, we'll call this our hanging wall. The side on the opposite side of the arrow, we'll say that's our foot wall. So this side is our hanging wall, this side is our foot wall. In this one, this side is our hanging wall, our foot wall, and this one, let's not mind this one. I'm just referring to the fault for now. So this one, this is our hanging wall, our foot wall. Remember the side of the arrow, where the arrow is pointing, we'll say that's our hanging wall. And that's how we're gonna name our reefs, based on where they are situated with respect to the hanging wall. So now let's come and name our reefs. So we need to name our faults first, then we come and name our reefs. So what do we have here? This fault, the one that managed to penetrate through both of these, it's our FO, our FX, it's our younger fault. So we're gonna say this is our FX. That's our younger fault, FX. These two faults, this one and this one, they are old. So we're gonna call them what? FO. Also that one is gonna be what? FO. But now, the one that is situated on the hanging wall side of this younger fault, remember this is the younger fault. Where is the hanging wall of this younger fault? It's this one. Which fault is situated on the hanging wall, meaning on the other side of the arrow, where the arrow is pointing, of the younger fault? So this is our younger fault, our arrow, which is our hanging wall. Which fault do we have there between these two faults? This one. So it's gonna be our FO what? X. The one that is situated on the hanging wall of our younger fault is FOX. So let me just write here. So this is FOX. This is just FO. Nothing happened there. We're still dealing with the 22nd level. Now let's name our reefs. Coming to the reefs, let's check. What do we have? We have this reef first. Remember, I said we name with respect to the hanging wall. So let's come here to this reef. This reef, if you check, it's situated where? On the hanging wall side of FO. Remember now this is FO, it's no longer F1. This is FO. This reef here is situated on the hanging wall of FO, but on the foot, it's here. It's in this block, if you check. It's in this block. It's on the hanging wall of FO, but on the foot wall of FX. Therefore, it's going to be what? RO. Remember, we name based on the hanging wall. If something is situated on the hanging wall of that fault, it's going to be named according to that fault because it's on the hanging wall of that fault. So this is our RO. So we can write here our FO because it's situated on the hanging wall of FO, but on the foot wall of FX. Now let's come to this reef here. This reef here, if you check, it's situated where? On the hanging wall, on this side of FX, on the hanging wall of what? FX, and also on the hanging wall of what? FOX. You see? So it's on hanging walls of both these folds. So it's going to be what? Our ROX. It is to combine both ROX. So this fault here, remember, this reef here, it's this one. So meaning that line there, it's ROX. Now let's come to the last one, this one. This one is situated where? On the foot wall side of this. Remember, it's in this block. It's situated on the foot wall of FO. And also on the foot wall of what? Of FX, because this R is pointing this side. Foot wall. So it's just R. This one is just R. It's going to be R. It's not situated on any hanging wall. If it was situated on a certain hanging wall, we were going to name it according to that hanging wall. So it's just R. Remember, these reefs, they are always going in pair in terms of RO, ROX, R. There's a missing reef, the last one here. It's supposed to be what? It's supposed to be RX. This is our missing in this case. We need to find that reef. So this is how you name them, the faults and also the reefs.